Hello, Pat Reynolds here with another installment of Technology Minute. Today our conversation is with Bill DeWitt, Market Manager Packaging at Shurtape Technologies, LLC.
Bill, can you tell me something about the key issues manufacturers may face when sealing corrugated cases with pressure-sensitive tape?
An unsecure seal is at the heart of most issues for manufacturers, resulting in a variety of negative and costly implications. We often see issues of packaging tape not sticking, as well as broken or uncut tape. This results in production downtime and carton reworks, leading to material waste and increases in labor costs and tape usage to fix the problems. Unsecure seals can also result in cartons popping open along the supply chain. This leaves product exposed, increasing the risk of damage and contamination, as well as cartons being refused at delivery. Another unfortunate result in unsecure seals is pilferage. A weak seal makes it easy to slide a hand into the carton and remove one or two items, oftentimes without a trace. Other often overlooked issues with using tape to seal cartons is the risk of product damage caused by a knife to cut the tape. This can deem product unsaleable, leading to costly returns. Using knives to open cartons can also result in personal injuries due to knife cuts.
So how do manufacturers overcome these issues?
Selecting the right combination of packaging tape and application device not only delivers a quality secure seal, but also maximizes packaging line efficiencies to keep them running longer and faster. After 3 years of research, we've created a perfect pairing with the ShurSEAL solution, a carton sealing solution that combines Shurtape HP Series packaging tape with a Primelock tape applicator. The HP Series packaging tape creates an instant, permanent bond with cartons and offers the highest holding power to fiberboard in the industry, while the Primelock tape applicator delivers unmatched wipe-down force during the case sealing process. Together, they provide a consistent, highly secure seals even on underfilled cartons, resulting in reduced risk of production downtime, reworks, and pilferage caused by unsecure seals. The ShurSEAL solution also has an optional folded edge technology which folds the edge of the tape along the length of the carton. This increases the strength of the seal at the most vulnerable failure points where the tape folds over the edge of the carton. This feature also offers the receiver of the carton a way to open it without using a knife or box cutter.
Tell me more about wipe-down force. How do you know you are getting a stronger seal with the ShurSEAL solution?
First, it's important to note that a good seal is dependent on several factors, including the type of carton, the quality of the packaging tape, as well as the amount of pressure or force applied to the tape during application. The carton surface can affect the tape's ability to stick, while the quality of the tape's adhesive and how it flows into the fibers of the board is critical to creating a strong bond to the corrugated surface. Remember, packaging tapes are pressure sensitive, so they require some type of force to create that bond to the box. This pressure drives the tape's adhesive into the carton, allowing it to entangle deep within the fibers to create a secure seal. In an automated setting, this force is provided by a tape applicator, which typically consists of 2 rollers. In many cases, the force generated by these rollers is not sufficient to create a secure seal, especially if you're sealing an underfilled carton. Due to the increased use of flexible food packaging and internet shopping, underfilled cartons are becoming more prevalent and present major sealing issues for existing tape applicators. A tape applicator can achieve more force on a full box as there is resistance from the product within. Underfilled cartons don't have that resistance and therefore receive less force from the wipe-down mechanisms, which can lead to unsecure seals. We spent a great deal of time testing and refining the ShurSEAL solution to deliver a carton sealing solution that addresses concerns over weak seals, particularly on underfilled cartons. Our HP Series packaging tape is uniquely engineered to create an instant bond to cartons, and the Primelock tape applicator is designed with multiple flexible wipe-down mechanisms which allow for full utilization of the tape's adhesive. Take a look at these pressure profiles, which depict the amount of pressure that would be applied to a piece of tape by a tape applicator on an underfilled carton. The red signifies a significant amount of wipe-down force. Without proper pressure, the tape's adhesive is not fully engaged and cartons are sealed insecurely, which may result in product damage, contamination, and pilferage. Because of the flexible wipe-down mechanisms that use more of the tape's adhesive, the Primelock tape applicator generates a more consistent pressure profile, resulting in more secure seals. And because more of the tape's adhesive is used to seal the carton, more force is required to open it. Compared to the other leading tape and applicator combinations, the ShurSEAL solution requires more than twice the force to break the seal on an underfilled carton. So what's that mean? A better, more secure seal that's able to withstand the extreme forces that cartons see through the distribution network, and one that offers security in the form of visible fiber tear when the tape has been removed or tampered with.
How can we learn more about the ShurSEAL solution?
You can visit ShurSealSecure.com to learn more about the ShurSEAL solution and how it can help increase efficiencies on your packaging lines and deliver secure seals every time. You can also contact us at 888-442-TAPE to schedule an evaluation of your packaging lines and review potential cost savings that could be achieved by switching to the ShurSEAL solution.